Today I'm going to show you how to reproduce this curvy text from the thread banner in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, so step 1, make sure that you don't have anything in the field. Click on the field, click on the none, click on the stroke and select the color for it. I'm going to go with black. Now let's go and select the pen tool and I'm going to create a wave. Let's go to the properties. I'm going to increase the stroke thickness like this. And go to the object, expand, click OK. So this is going to be the wavy line, and on this we're going to need to figure out where to put the text. So we're going to create a new copy. I'm going to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can go to Edit, Paste in Front. This way is going to create another copy on the top, and I'm going to double click on that copy, select the direct selection tool, and I'm going to select this bottom corner anchor point, press and hold Shift, and also select the right bottom corner anchor point. And now we're going to go to the cut path at select anchor point. I'm going to swap it from field to stroke, and I'm going to recolor it the stroke, for example, with blue, and I'm going to delete this top wave. So now we are left with this bottom blue wave, which I'm going to go to the stroke and increase the stroke thickness, and I'm going to expand it so the typography is going to start from this top line. I'm going to go with 28, go to object, expand, click OK. I'm going to select the direct selection tool and I'm going to cut these anchor points. So now I'm going to select the top right corner, press and hold Shift, and also select the top left corner. Click on cut path again, swap it from field to stroke, a right click on group, and now we are going to select the bottom one and delete it. So this is going to be the text line where it's going to start. I'm going to double click release and I'm going to select the type tool, and I'm going to go somewhere here and click on the line with the type tool. So this way we can type in whatever we want, and I'm going to change the field color from black to white. I'm also going to change the font from Arial to Space Grotesque. It's a free Google font, you can download it. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to select the text, press Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V, and I'm also going to click on these three dots and let's select the uppercase. I'm going to lock the text, go to layer, lock the text, and I'm going to select this black line. Let's go to the gradients, and I'm going to go with freeform gradient. Click on it, and as you can see, we got these black dots. I'm going to double click on this one, go to swatches, and I'm going to select the threads colors. I'm going to click here. It's going to add another one, and you can recolor it this way. And this is how I make wavy text in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.